Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking exact prerequisites, level, reputation, or profession requirements, and available character slots. Once confirmed, head straight to the Everbloom zone and mark probable spawn points. Timers matter. You should assemble a small group or bring any required items because efficiency reduces downtime. While traveling, keep consumables ready, mount, hearth, and food so you can exploit short windows. Doing this prevents wasted runs and sets you up to engage the plug the moment it appears. Once on site, synchronize timers and assign roles. One caller, one looter, and crowd control executes. Clear the immediate area promptly, using AoE and stuns to avoid pulling extra waves that reset the event. Move into pre-assigned positions so you can grab the Everbloom plug instantly. Proximity saves seconds that matter. Make sure bag slots and lockout rules are understood, because failing to loot or interrupting respawn cycles costs the run. Keep communication tight and adjust timing as you learn spawn. You finish by looting the Everbloom plug and immediately moving away to prevent others from interfering. Confirm the item in inventory before celebrating. If the event fails or the plug doesn't drop, note the exact time, reset timers, and try alternate spawn nodes. Variance happens. When problems persist, swap roles, clear local cache, and relog to fix synchronization errors. Doing these final steps and one troubleshooting tip keeps runs efficient and increases your chance of success on the next attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.